Hey everyone, I'm your super dentist and welcome back to my channel wherein we break down the dental topics into something easy and stress free. Today we are tackling a topic which often brings a lot of questions, and let's be honest, a few myths: teeth scaling or professional dental cleaning. You might have heard things like cleaning can damage your teeth or it's just a cosmetic procedure. Today I'm setting the record straight. I'm busting 5 common myths around teeth scaling so that you can take an informed decision about your oral health. Ready? Let's dive in. Myth number 1: teeth scaling can damage your enamel. Now, it is a very common myth and it's simply not true. Enamel is a hard outer protective layer of the tooth which is incredibly strong. Scaling is a professional cleaning procedure undertaken by dentist or a dental hygienist. They use a specialized instruments, either manual or ultrasonic, to remove the buildup that has happened on the surface of the teeth or just below the gum line, which is usually called as plaque or tartar. Now these instruments are designed to remove the tartar or plaque and not scrape away your enamel. Once the cleaning is done, you might experience some amount of sensitivity, but it's a sign that your gums which are inflamed before are healing now. Myth number 2: scaling makes your teeth weaker or loose. Now, this is another major misconception and is exactly the opposite of what happens. When the tartar builds up, it causes gum inflammation. That is, there will be redness, swelling, and even bleeding. Now, this is called as gingivitis. When not taken care, it can progress into periodontitis, which is a severe form of gum disease, wherein there is a loss of bone as well as supporting structure. And yes, this can eventually lead to loosening of the teeth. Scaling removes this hardened buildup. By getting rid of the tartar, we are actually helping to preserve the gum health and the supporting structures around the teeth. What you perceive as looseness after the scaling is done is actually the gums returning to its healthy position once the inflammation is gone, revealing more of the tooth structures which were hidden because of the swollen gums. Now these are the signs of healing, not disease. Myth number 3: that you need scaling only if you have a bad breath or a lot of tartar buildup. While these are the signs that you need a professional cleaning, they are not the only indicators. Tartar, or also called as calculus, often builds up in the region where it is difficult to see or reach with your toothbrush or a floss, especially below the gum lines. Regular dental checkups, including the scaling, is a preventive measures. They help to catch the problem even before it is visible or causes noticeable symptoms. So don't wait until you start having a bad breath or a lot of tartar buildup. See your dentist regularly. Myth number 4: teeth scaling are always painful. Now, we all have different pain tolerances, but for most of them, scaling is not a painful experience. A dentist or a dental hygienist will typically start the scaling by assessing your comfort level. If you have lot of sensitivity or inflamed gums, they might offer you a topical anesthetic or a local anesthesia, as in we give for filling, so that we numb the area in a way that the entire procedure becomes very comfortable. Modern scaling instruments are more efficient and more comfortable compared to the older instruments. Remember, goal of the procedure is to relieve from the discomfort of gum inflammation and the tartar buildup, not cause pain. Myth number 5: most of the people think that scaling can create gaps. No, the gaps were already present, but they were covered by the layer of calculus and the swollen gums. Now, in the scaling procedure, we remove the chunk of the calculus, revealing the true shape of your tooth and the gums. It's like cleaning a messy room. A room isn't spacious, but once it is clean, you feel it is very big. Those gaps were already there. Scaling just makes them clean and visible. So there you have it, the 5 dental myths around scaling debunked. Remember, Regular dental checkups and professional cleaning is one of the best investment you can make for a long term oral health. Don't let your myths hold you back from taking care of your smile. If you have any concerns about the oral health or scaling, do talk to your dentist. They will explain the process, address the specific concerns that you have, and make sure that you are comfortable. What are your thoughts or experiences about dental scaling? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.